Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for March 12th, 2011. Okay, let's take a look at the market using SPY. So we managed to get out of this consolidation range, actually out of this triangle here. Let me just put that up. You can see how there's a nice symmetrical triangle, and we managed to break down from that on Thursday. Now on Friday, we made a decent rebound, made a decent recovery off of this 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average continues to hold, just like how it held back here with this pullback. It is doing so now. So in terms of bullishness, you can build a bullish case for a potential bounce off the 50-day moving average, assuming that this correction is done. So I mean, you can look at it as, giving it the benefit of a doubt that it held back here. So you will assume that it hold back here again. Now on the other hand, if you look on the bearish scenario, we sold off pretty hard on Thursday on relatively high volume. And usually what happens is when you break support, it naturally becomes a resistance. So I'm not surprised to see the market come back and retest this broken trend line like it's doing right now. So here's the thing, we managed to actually come back and retest, or at least close enough to this broken trend line, and at least towards this 50-hour moving average. So if it fails here, let's say on Monday or at least on Tuesday, things start to roll around, then this actually might be a good entry into a short position. This is because if this is a true retest of the resistance line, your stop is basically above the resistance line. Okay, so you have a relatively narrow risk to enter shorts or puts or whatever the case is, because if it gets above here, then that means you're wrong. Okay, so that's a nice easy way or nice minimal risk to get short in this market playing SPY, given where the market is currently. Now as far as the next level of support, I would probably assume, if let's say, for bearish scenario, let's say the 50-day breaks, probably your first level of support is back here around the 127.5, and then probably back down to 125 as your next level, at least major support. But quite honestly, in a downtrend, support gets easily broken. I mean, if the market wants to plunge, it will plunge regardless of what the support level is. So, but you still want to have a few price levels in mind just to aim for targets, and of course, eventually this 122.5. So about every $2.50 level, you get some decent support levels right there.